Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Watch, and the title of the video is Police Crack Down Hard on These Holiday Shoplifters. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about.
Let's pull the driver out.
Wait for another unit.
I don't know if we have another one.
Tom's on our side. We'll get somebody.
Face away from us.
Keep your hands out the window! Passenger, keep your hands out the window!
Compliance from the female passenger.
Oh yeah, he racked that thing back. He racked that AR back, boy.
It ain't that serious. Y'all act like we murdered somebody.
Both hands outside. Step out. Face away. All right, cover down on driver, Tommy. 2 steps to the left.
I got driver.
All right.
With your left hand, grab the back of your hoodie and raise.
I got driver. Just hold the car.
With your left hand, raise the entire hoodie. Pull up. Spin around 360. Hands up. Keep spinning. Face away.
Keep your hands up on top of your head. Back up. Keep backing. You want him over here?
Take him to the left. Take him all the way
2
to.
steps to the left.
Keep him going
2
way up,
steps left.
past the yellow line, way out,
Left.
way out.
Okay, so he kind of did the thing wrong or whatever, but the cops had, you know, enough patience to know that he wasn't trying to make no funny movements. But what they were trying to do is when he told him, put your head, raise your hoodie, what they want to do is they want to see up, you know, his waist. That's what they wanted to see. But he just took the whole goddamn thing off. You making too many moves now. You better be easy. You making too many moves. I ain't tell you to take off your hoodie. But no, the cops, they actually did a pretty good job with that. Because some guys would have jumped. Oh, I told you just to lift your hoodie, not take off your hoodie. You not listening. And in these type of moments, you need to pay close attention to what's going on, because you make one wrong move and that's your ass.
Hey, stop walking backwards. Step to the left. Step to the left. Keep going. To the left. Keep going.
Tommy, start walking back.
Face the tree lines to your left. Start walking backwards.
You got hands?
Stop.
You want me to get hands?
Down your knees.
Brush your feet.
I can't see through the back to the front. It's full of stuff.
Okay. Who else in the car? Just who's that? Your girlfriend?
No weapons, knives, guns. Just one other occupant? All right. How many of you guys got? 3 here? All right, you guys can start calling passenger out. He says,
Passenger, open the door. Step out of the vehicle. Keep your hands in the air.
You come open.
Open the door and step out the vehicle.
You come open it. You want it open, you come open it. You got the right thing.
Oh, here we go. Oh man, This is why we got stereotypes. This shit right here. This right here is why stereotypes exist. Come on, man. The guy, you know, whatever, maybe he was being a little rough in the beginning, a little hard-headed or whatever. We don't know. But, you know, they asked him to get out. All right, he cooperated. You got her. You got the female. And here come the bullshit.
Hey,
Step out.
hey, just leave her. We got a pepper ball coming. Ma'am, this is your last opportunity. We will make you come out with gas, and you won't be able to breathe.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm telling you, you got to come open the door.
Okay, can you
I can open it from the inside.
can you open the door from the inside?
Yeah.
Go ahead and do that.
Okay, now we acting like we got common sense.
Step out of the vehicle. Look away from me. Put your hands in the air. Grab the back of your shirt collar with your right hand. Pull up.
I'm not putting my shirt off.
Pull your shirt up to expose your waistband. Turn around. Do a 360 spin. Turn around. Turn around. Look away from the sound of my voice.
Wait, I'm hearing you.
Look away from the sound of my voice.
Look away.
Look away from me. Turn around. Turn around.
Again?
Yes, ma'am. Turn around. Walk to your right. To your right. Yep. Keep going. There you go. Start walking backwards.
Someone cover
Look
down
away
on
from the
her.
sound of my voice.
Someone cover.
Keep
Good.
coming. Keep walking back. Keep it coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep
Hey,
coming.
Yeah, I go. If you slam me down, I'm gonna you up. I'm gonna you
We're
up.
not slamming you down.
If you slam me
We're
down,
not slamming you
I'm gonna
down.
you up.
You ain't being
You
slammed
got the
down.
right bitch.
All right, I got it.
Hey, Muni, stay on rifle on this side. Barcaro falling on the other side behind Jake, Oreo. And we'll do a driver's side approach.
Okay.
When she's in custody, I could use you over here.
You need me? I'll take you one more, Jake. We'll do a +1 and then we'll do driver's side approach.
Y'all act like we done murdered somebody or killed somebody. Like
All right, you got 3, Jake. +1, and then you guys can make your approach. Hold on, let me stop the traffic.
Anyone else in the vehicle, make your presence known.
Uncle, we got her out. She's in custody. 10-4. I'm back, 7.
Yep. Clear.
Chunks clear.
We're lying. Keep doing custody. Clear number.
What? Check.
Anything on you that's gonna stick quick, Kobe?
Handcuffs are on, double lock. I can put my finger through them. They're not too tight. She hasn't complained about anything. I haven't spoken to her. She kind of knows why they were stopped, but I haven't asked her anything at all about any details.
I just thought she was going to pay for that stuff. Oh,
Okay. What happened?
I don't know, really. She just came out. They came up to the truck and she said, go. She told them something about.
So you were just sitting in the parking lot?
And she said she got her receipt on her phone.
Step up, watch your head.
So, like, you all left your house and went there. She told you what? She's like, we're going to go Christmas shopping at Sam's Club in Vero?
What? I didn't know we were going to certain places to go.
Can they go together? They can go together, no?
Yeah.
Do they want us to tell you?
There's PC for her.
I'm trying to get out of the way.
No.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
Feeling Santa Claus isn't coming. Hey,
This is a good time. It's Christmas.
There's a,
Less no
there's a
more.
lot of shit here. So can they identify what was taken?
Hop out. Putting you in that car. Which, trust me, there's a lot more room in that one than this one.
What's gonna happen with the car?
It's gonna be towed. I'll let you know who when I know. I don't know who's coming yet.
So what about the windows that can be let up?
The what?
The windows can be let up?
Yeah, everything's gonna be secured.
Okay. Then you have the keys already?
Yeah, they're on the hood.
Put these in his bag, wherever that's it.
So you said you want your phone, or you want to just leave it in the car? Yeah, just secured. Yeah, it's gonna be locked. Is there anything that you need?
See, and also they do this sometimes because they're hoping that they might talk in the back seat, you know, because it's cameraed up and it's mic'd up and stuff. So sometimes they do it because, you know, they ain't got no other units that could really, you know, be doing it and stuff. But sometimes they do it so that way, hopefully they could catch them saying something.
You got a wallet in there? You want me to grab your wallet and your phone?
Yeah.
I'll grab your wallet and your phone, but I'll leave the purse in the car. Does that work?
Jay, one day you was gonna say, and that's all too much, so they can hear everything, okay? One thing I told you, like, you trying. You just said I was going shopping. You wasn't gonna get
You care about that too.
Charlie, they gonna care about it. You're not gonna get these charges. You didn't do that. You can't help that. I told you I was going shopping for the kids' Christmas stuff. That I had the money. You did not know. You're not getting.
Yeah. Told you they soon as that door shut. But as much of a pain in the ass this lady is, she actually holding bruh down because bruh do look sick. Like, you got me in some mess like that. And her story is lining up, and he already said it too. He was like, I picked her up. I ain't know she was doing that. Like, he's sick. He looked sick, bruh. He mad as a mug, boy.
And I say, let me drive, you would have been scot-free. They don't hold you for nothing.
Man, no hoes won't tell, man. That I was driving and I put that stuff in.
You don't matter. I paid for it. You first, you know I paid for it. And that's what you better say. That's what I'm going to say. Okay, why always get the thing for this kind of thing? I want you to do it. And they can hear everything on this car. I said, you have to just, you didn't know. You did not know that I was going in the school. That's it. Okay?
Now that's the right thing. He wasn't charged with the theft. He just charged with driving with a suspended license.
I gotta go second.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.